guys, so today I'm going to do something I've been meaning to do for a while now on the Hellcat. Just give it some more loud. It's pretty quiet compared to my old Mustang. I'm going to head over to an exhaust shop. We're going to chop off the mid-mufflers and then I'll do a couple sound clips. So about to head over there, but I'll do a quick stock cold start so you can hear what it sounds like. Step back here, a little hard to hear me over the car. Just like it says in the description, this is just a mid-muffler delete for the Hellcat, replaced with 3-inch stainless pipe. Pretty simple to do, about 100 bucks, 200 bucks to get done. I'd say it's about 3 times louder. Let me know what you guys think in the comments, but it's way louder now. What I'll do next, I'll make a separate video comparing stock versus mid-muffler delete. So I'll do cold start, revs, flybys, things like that. Give you guys a real idea of the difference here, so stay tuned for that. If you like this video, go ahead and hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.